Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss week 1 quiz 1 answers of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithm. So in this channel you will get all the assignment answers of this total course. So if you want all the answers, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So coming to the first question, what does age 27993 return for the following function definition? So this is the function definition for agex. Now what will be age 27993? So if you go here and see, if I print age of 27993, then it will print 10. So the answer of this first question will be 10. So now question number 2. What is G60 minus G48? Given the definition of G below. Now if you see here, this is the function definition of Gn. Now if you print G60 minus G48, then it will print 2. So the answer of question number 2 will be 2. Now coming to question number 3, consider the following function f. So this is the function. The function fn given above returns true for a positive number of n if and only if n is a perfect square. So option C will be the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4, consider the following function fo. So this is the definition of f double o. Which of the following is correct? The answer will be the function terminates for non-negative number n with foo n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. So submit the answer. If you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.